Hola.
Hola. Welcome to today's assembly.
So today we're going to be starting with the Water Star certificate.
Are you excited?
Yes, are you?
Yeah. Go on.
So in 3 Willow, congratulations to Zakira for using her speaking skills to play kindly with her friends. In 3 Emerald, congratulations to Harley for being a fantastic member of 3 Emerald and trying his best in English and maths since starting at Cubic Town. In 3 Sage, congratulations to Natalie for always putting great effort and concentration in all she does, particularly in music.
Well done, Year 3s. In Year 4, congratulations to Jamie in 4 Sky for contributing to class discussions. Congratulations to Yusuf Ali for being an excellent team member and contributing fantastic ideas to his table. And lastly, in Year 4, congratulations to Molly for making an effort to learn her weekly spellings.
Now we're going to be starting with the Year 5s. In 5 Sunshine, congratulations to Kamal for aiming high and trying his best in his writing. In 5 Buttercup, congratulations to Hassan for your great work in maths and interesting combinations to our discussions. And in 5 Canary, congratulations to Tahmid Khan for always working to a high standard and beautiful presentation in all subjects. Well done, Year 5s.
In Year 6, in 6 Cherry, congratulations to Zaid for a fantastically positive approach to learning with excellent contributions in class. Congratulations to Humaira in 6 Ruby for her resilience and exemplary demonstration of her learning across all subjects. Never give up, Humaira. Congratulations to Mohammed for making great progress in his handwriting and working more independently. I am very proud of you. From 6 Scarlet from Miss Robinson.
That was all the Water Stars.
Congratulations, everyone. It's time for this week's birthdays. It's time to see who will be celebrating this week. First, we have Tanisha in 4 Sky, who's having their birthday today. Happy birthday, Tanisha.
Next, we have Shayla in 4 Sky, who's also having their birthday today.
A coincidence to have the birthday on the same day and in the same class.
Well, happy birthday to both of you.
Next, we have Nabiha in 5 Buttercup.
And then we've got Shreya in 5 Sunshine.
Then we have Yusuf in 3 Willow.
Rajna in 5 Buttercup.
Sabiha in 5 Canary.
Amelia in 5 Buttercup.
And lastly, Amy in 6 Scarlet. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to all of you. Happy birthday to you. Now we're heading off to see Mr. Pear.
He's going to tell us the Oracy Stars of this month.
Thank you, Amaya. Thank you, Nabila. And here we are for the Oracy Stars of the month. For this month, I'm going to start down in Year 3 and 3 Sage. The Oracy Star is Liana. And Mr. Martin was really impressed with how you're explaining your mathematical thinking during lessons on fractions. So really great job, Liana. In Year 4, up to Mr. Ahmed's class, and it goes to Amina for using Oracy sentence stems to help share her answers. Great job, Amina. Year 5 goes to Miss J. Begum's class and Hassan. Now Hassan, again, it comes to using Oracy in maths. He's been using his Oracy skills to explain his mathematical reasoning in a really clear way. Great job, Hassan. And finally, Year 6, Miss Sickins was particularly pleased with you, Betsy, and she said, Betsy has been effortlessly and instinctively referring to other children's points in discussions. In other words, she's been saying what other people are saying and building on it, maybe challenging it, and using all those great Oracy skills to express her own views. Great job to Betsy. Well done, everyone. Those winners, look for your photos, which will be going up on here next week. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you soon. Back to you, Nabila and Amaya.
Thank you, Mr. Pear, and congratulations to all those Oracy Stars. You were amazing.
If you remind us for next week, next Monday is bank holiday, so school will be closed.
And the school will be closed again on Thursday to all pupils only, as the school will be used as a polling station.
Have a great weekend. Bye.
Bye. Au revoir.